Here's how you can add product variants like sizes, colors, and other options to your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify store and go to the Products section on the left sidebar. Click Add Product to create a new product or select an existing product to add variants to. Next, fill in the basic details of your product like the title, description, images, pricing, inventory, and shipping information. Scroll down to the options section like size or color. To set up your first variant option, enter the option name and then list the available sizes like small, medium, large, extra large, etc. Click Done to save this option. If you want to add another variant, another option, type in color, and then enter the available colors like blue, red, or others. Click Done again to save this second variant. You can add up to 3 variant options and up to 100 unique combinations of these options for each product. Shopify will automatically generate combinations for each option. For each combination, you can set unique prices, adjust the quantity and SKU for inventory tracking, and even add specific images for each variant if desired. Once you're done, click Save. Finally, preview your product page to make sure the variants appear correctly, and customers can select options like size and color.